Good morning guys! Tara, kape! Okay, for today's video, meron akong nasagap na news coming from SEC daw. I think pag nangyari to, talagang malaking tulong to sa mga taong nakadepende talaga sa mga online lending apps. But yeah, somehow meron din naman tong negative effect. Well, ano ba tong news na to? Apparently, meron daw plan si SEC na pataasin ang capital requirement ng mga online lending app by more than 10 times. So currently, prescribed by law, under the Lending Company Regulation Act, sinasabi doon na ang paid-in capital na kailangan is only 1 million pesos. Sabi ni SEC, ito daw yung reason kung bakit napaka-aggressive ng mga online lending apps natin na magpautang at mag-charge ng 15% ng interest. Kasi yung requirement to enter to be a lending institution is napakaliit. Now, with the proposed increase in capital requirement, bali malilimitahan na yung mga pwedeng magpautang. Ibig sabihin nito, those company who really means business will be able to follow all the rules and regulation. In addition, nakalagay daw sa Lending Company Regulation Act na binibigyan ng power si SEC to determine the paid-in capital requirement just in case na mababa na yung current na standard na 1 million. Additionally, kung lagi kayong hinaharas ng mga collection agents, magkakaroon na rin ng accreditation ng mga third-party collection agents. Ang ibig sabihin nito is that ang pwede nilang mangolekta sa mga utang natin ay yung mga accredited ni SEC as a third-party collection agent. Ibig sabihin nito, magsaset ng rules and standards si SEC kung paano ba mangolekta, etc. etc. Thus, since may standard na at if ever makatanggap kayo ng harassment, madaling magreklamo sa SEC and in turn, madaling masanction ni SEC itong mga accredited na third-party collection. However, these are still plans as of the moment. So, kailan ba natin ito i-expect? Walang nakakaalam as of the moment. If you want to read the full article about this topic, you can head over na lang dito sa Inquirer's website para sa full detail of this video's topic. Yun lang muna for today's video. Good morning sa inyo.